chunk, knock, put it down. Very good. Unknock, put it down. Chunk, put it down.
So this one. Yes, unlock. And this unlock. Okay, very good. And chunk. And chunk. Function button cables. Okay, this one. Is okay? Okay or not? Let me test pull up to the air. Wow. Excellent soldering skill. Congratulations, very good. Okay. I add little things. This one is ground. Okay. This is battery. This one battery. Okay, very good. Now let me solve this. Very good. Okay. Soldering point is shining. Okay, looks like a professional. Okay, very good. Is Toyota? Okay, Toyota. Is it Toyota? Let me test. Okay, let me test. Knock. Unlock. Is it okay? Chunk. Yes. Function. Very good. Okay, very good. Now slide up. Unlock. Knock. Yes. Chunk. Okay, my friend. Now these Toyota LCD keys. Let him test. Knock. Very good. Unlock. Okay. Chunk. Okay. Function. Okay, wait. Slide up. Knock. Yes. Unlock. Unlock. Chunk. Function. This is rigid key. This is power cable. This is OBD. This is OBD. Okay. And this one is Toyota LCD key. Call back. Off. Nothing correct.